as directed by the High Command.
The District Tuberculosis Officer, West Jaintia Hills, observed World Tuberculosis Day at District Library Auditorium yesterday on the theme, Yes, We Can End TB. Deputy Commissioner B.S. Solia expressed his appreciation to the doctors and their teams for their tireless effort in reducing the number of TB patients and working towards the elimination of TB in the district. The Deputy Commissioner motivated individuals, communities and stakeholders to work together towards achieving the goal. During the program, a music video dedicated to TB was also launched, conveying a message about TB awareness, prevention and treatment.
And it has come down. I've been informed, we've had review meetings quite a number of times, and till date the numbers have reduced from last year and so on and so forth. The numbers, because people have recovered, people who are infected also are being monitored and treated. I give my thanks and my appreciation again that we are working together, we are combining all our efforts together for this very important subject.